In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your support tickets using Zoho CRM in Chrome. We'll go through the process step by step, making sure you have a clear understanding of each phase. First, we'll start with logging into your Zoho CRM account through Chrome. Open up your Chrome browser and type in the URL for Zoho CRM, or use a saved bookmark if you have one. After that, enter your login credentials, which will give you access to your main dashboard. Once inside, you'll notice a variety of modules and features, depending on your settings and role within your organization. Next, navigate towards your cases, or it might be listed as support module. Based on how your CRM is customized, these modules house all the support tickets and requests that have come through and are crucial for keeping track of customer queries and support interactions. It acts like the hub for your support operations, so becoming familiar with it can be incredibly beneficial. Now let's talk about creating a new support ticket. In your cases or support module, there should be an option for creating a new case. You'll typically find a button labeled plus new case. Click on this and a form will pop up asking for the details of the case. Be sure to fill out all the necessary information, like contact details from the customer, a brief description of the issue they're facing, and any other relevant data that could assist in a faster resolution. Once the details are filled in, you might need to assign these cases to specific support agents. Assigning cases helps streamline operations and ensures that each customer query is handled by the right person. You can either choose from a list of available agents or automatically assign using any preset criteria or skills match that your organization might have in place. After assigning cases, keeping an eye on the progress is crucial. Tracking the case status allows you to keep tabs on how old a ticket is and what stage of resolution it's currently at. As updates occur, make sure to update notes regularly. This not only helps in maintaining communication with the customer, but also provides an accurate record of how the issue is being handled. Another helpful tool within Zoho CRM is the use of email templates for responses. This saves you the time and effort of crafting new responses from scratch for each case while maintaining consistency in communication. Personalizing these templates, even slightly, can also help in maintaining a personal touch with your customer interactions. Finally, once a case is resolved, it's time to close it. Closing cases officially ends the transaction, ensuring your records stay organized and that your attention can be shifted to open cases that still require your attention. One hint to remember: always double check with the customer to confirm they're satisfied before you close the case. This will improve customer satisfaction and reduce the chance of any reopened queries. And there you have it, a straight